Look at Ruben stuck. We all got stuck here within 5 minutes. Thank God we stayed within 20 feet of each other, whatever, to pull each other out. So here's this guy's $350 waders. Doesn't he look sexy in those? I think he looks sexy. Now he can, you hear him?
Oh, we're getting deeper and deeper.
Deeper in.
Out?
That's the brotherly love right there. You gotta make sure you gun it really hard this time. You gotta get out that jacket. Look at this guy and his waders.
Yeah, if I don't fall.
He looks like a country guy.
Well, it's a good thing you had the waders.
Yes, it is, to be honest.
I hope there's no gators here.
He'll be the first one to find out. I would pull yourself out first, bro, before you pull.
It's hard here.
Okay.